Today, we are talking about The One Thing from Gary Keller and Joe Parmesan. If you don't read anything else, this book is for you because it's a must read if you want to become a successful entrepreneur. Even if you don't want to become an entrepreneur, you definitely still should read this book because it's more or less life-changing. For me, it did because I'm always been the person who has to do multiple things at once. I have been working here and there and there, and I had four, five, 6 projects going on. And what happened? Of course, I didn't finish anything. So this book totally opened my eyes when it told me that there is just one thing you should actually do, and then you will become successful. So let me just read a few lines from this book, and it's on the right of the beginning. And this will already, make you click the link below and get this book for you. I promise that. So, okay. I was watching the hit comedy City Slickers, and the audience's laughter rattled and rocked the theater. Considered one of the funniest movies of all time, it also sprinkled in unexpected doses of wisdom and insight. In one memorable scene, Curly, the gritty cowboy played by the late Jack Palance, and City Slicker Mitch, played by Billy Crystal, leave the group to search for stray cattle. Although they had planned for most of the movie, riding along together, they finally connected over a conversation about life. Suddenly, Carly reins his horse to a stop and turns in the saddle to face Mitch. Curly, do you know what the secret of life is? Mitch, no. What? Curly, this. He holds up one finger. Mitch, your finger? Curly, one thing, just one thing. You stick to that and everything else don't mean shit. Peep. Mitch, that's great, but what's the one thing? Curly, that's what you've got to figure out. Yeah, and now I already told you the secret of life, secret of success. It's doing just one thing. And that is what the whole book is about. And if you now think that sounds pretty boring, it's not. It's really sparkled with some anecdotes and with some pretty ideas, with some wisdom actually, and with science, and it shows you exactly why doing just one thing is right for you and for anyone else if you want to succeed in life. And if you can do just one thing, you will have success. So why? Because, glad you asked, because you just repeat this one thing and get it done, and then it might be your life changer. Actually, it will be your life changer. So imagine you would wanted to start playing the piano when you were 10, and you did so ever since. And now you are 25 and you are still playing the piano each and every day. Do you think that you could be not really good at it? No. Actually, you cannot, or you do not listen to any music and just climb on that thing. But I believe that you would have learned more about the piano, and then you must be successful, because then you have reached a status where you are called a professional. Yeah, because you have done that one thing each time, again and again and again, year after year after year. And that's why I believe that the book, The One Thing, is most probably the best book you can read if you're a striving entrepreneur. So click the link below, get to download the trial. Yeah, you can always get a little something from the book, the first pages, and I'm sure you will be impressed. Please leave me a comment below and tell me what you think about The One Thing. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, please subscribe to our channel and click the little bell if you want to be notified whenever we post a new video, and give us a thumb up because that's important for us. And read the info box below, because there you find all the information about this video and all the links you need to get freebies and whatever. So this is all and everything under this video. I see you in the next one.